What is going on, guys? Something from nothing here. And today I'm giving you guys an update on the starter switch I made in the last video on my Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. So, in the last video I had the switch mounted right here. But that caused problems because you have those both terminals, or it was around here, and they kept hitting this metal right here. They were loose, and it just wasn't a good idea. I can't remember if I had the red cables in the last video or the thicker cables, but if I had the red cables on in the last video, I did change them out, because now we have a white cable, which is right here, and a black cable, which is right here. And what those do is they connect the bolts on the solenoid. So instead of running it up into here through that hole, I ran it from here up through these plastics, up through there, and it just comes out right here to there. And it seems to work pretty good. We've been using this for probably about a month now, and I like it. I'll show you guys what I like about starting with it. Seems to run pretty good. I've never had any problems with the engine itself. Never had any problems with the switch either, ever since we put it on, so I'll give you guys a little drive around the yard. It is equipped with ABS, which is automatic or engine braking, or no, not ABS. It's called EBS, which is engine braking system, and it's automatic. So when you let off the throttle, oh, my finger's on the camera right there. Sorry. So when you let off the throttle, it automatically brakes the engine. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.